NASA and Boeing have decided to extend the CST-100 Starliner's stay at the ISS to perform further tests and finalize departure planning. This extension is part of the crew flight test mission, with NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams on board. The extra time at the ISS provides an incredible opportunity to conduct more tests, yielding invaluable data unique to the spacecraft's current position. Mark Nappy, Boeing's Vice President and Commercial Crew Program Manager, emphasized the importance of this extension, stating, "We have plenty of margin and time on station to maximize the opportunity for all partners to learn, including our crew." This sentiment highlights the collaborative effort between NASA and Boeing to ensure the mission's success. One critical test planned for Starliner includes a brief test of the aft-facing thrusters. 7 of the 8 thrusters will be fired in 2 pulses, each lasting about 1 second. This test is crucial for understanding how the spacecraft will perform during future missions, which could last up to 6 months. However, these thrusters have been a source of concern. During Starliner's approach to the station on June 6th, 5 thrusters were deselected by the spacecraft's computer due to out-of-bounds readings. While controllers managed to restore 4 thrusters, the cause of the issue remains unclear. In addition to the thruster test, other planned activities during the extended stay include measuring cabin air temperature, conducting additional tests of the spacecraft hatch and forward window, and repeating a safe haven test. The safe haven test will assess how well the spacecraft can accommodate 4 people in the event of an emergency at the station. Steve Stick, NASA's Commercial Crew Program Manager, stated, "We are continuing to understand the capabilities of Starliner to prepare for the long-term goal of having it perform a 6-month docked mission at the space station." Despite these ongoing tests, NASA has not provided updates on the helium leaks in Starliner's propulsion system. NASA confirmed that a 5th leak was detected hours after the spacecraft docked with the station, adding to 1 found weeks before launch and 3 more during the spacecraft's approach and arrival. The helium manifolds in the propulsion system remain shut while the spacecraft is docked, but NASA previously stated there is enough helium to support undocking and deorbit maneuvers. Initially, Starliner was scheduled to spend 8 days at the ISS. However, NASA postponed the original June 14th departure to June 18th to avoid conflicts with a spacewalk scheduled for June 13th. Space station managers wanted to prevent major events, like a spacewalk and spacecraft undocking, from occurring on consecutive days. Interestingly, the June 13th spacewalk by NASA astronauts Tracy C. Dyson and Matt Dominic was called off shortly before it was scheduled to begin due to a suit discomfort issue. NASA has not provided further details on the issue or which astronaut experienced it. The tasks planned for the postponed spacewalk will now be carried out during another spacewalk scheduled for June 24th. NASA has not yet disclosed who will perform this spacewalk. The extended stay and additional tests for Starliner are part of NASA and Boeing's efforts to ensure the spacecraft is fully prepared for long-term missions. The data collected during these tests will be invaluable for future missions, especially those involving extended stays at the ISS. This mission represents a significant step forward for the Commercial Crew Program, highlighting the collaboration between NASA and private companies like Boeing. Let's take a closer look at the incredible achievements of the Starliner program so far. The CST-100 Starliner is designed to transport crew to and from low Earth orbit, particularly to the ISS. It's a critical part of NASA's Commercial Crew Program, which aims to provide reliable and cost-effective access to space using commercial spacecraft. The success of Starliner is vital for ensuring that NASA has multiple options for transporting astronauts to the ISS, especially after the retirement of the Space Shuttle program. The design of Starliner includes numerous safety features, such as an abort system to ensure the crew's safety in case of an emergency during launch or ascent. The spacecraft is equipped with advanced life support systems, navigation, and control systems to ensure safe and efficient operations. Additionally, it can carry up to 7 passengers or a mix of crew and cargo, providing flexibility for different mission profiles. Starliner's journey has not been without its challenges. The spacecraft experienced several setbacks during its development and testing phases, including issues with its software and hardware. However, NASA and Boeing have worked diligently to address these problems, conducting numerous tests and simulations to ensure the spacecraft's readiness for crewed missions. The current crew flight test mission, with astronauts Wilmore and Williams on board, is a crucial step in demonstrating Starliner's capabilities and reliability. The significance of the crew flight test mission cannot be overstated. It's a pivotal moment for both NASA and Boeing as they demonstrate the spacecraft's ability to safely transport astronauts to and from the ISS. The data collected during this mission will be critical for certifying Starliner for regular crewed flights, ensuring that NASA has a dependable spacecraft for its future missions. Moreover, the extended stay and additional tests will provide invaluable insights into Starliner's performance under different conditions. By conducting tests on the thrusters, life support systems, and other components, NASA and Boeing can gather detailed data that will inform future missions. This comprehensive testing approach ensures that any potential issues are identified and addressed, enhancing the spacecraft's overall safety and reliability. The collaboration between NASA and Boeing exemplifies the progress being made in the commercial space industry. By leveraging the expertise and resources of private companies, NASA can achieve its ambitious goals more efficiently and cost-effectively. This partnership model is not only advancing space exploration, but also fostering innovation and competition within the industry. In summary, the CST-100 Starliner's extended stay at the ISS provides a unique opportunity to conduct additional tests and gather crucial data. These efforts will help prepare the spacecraft for future long-term missions, ensuring it meets the rigorous demands of space travel. The cooperation between NASA and Boeing exemplifies the progress being made in the commercial space industry, paving the way for more ambitious missions in the future. As NASA and Boeing continue to work on the Starliner program, the future of space travel looks promising. The successful completion of the crew flight test mission will mark a significant milestone in the journey toward routine crewed flights to the ISS and beyond. The lessons learned and data collected during this mission will pave the way for the next generation of space exploration, bringing us closer to the goal of sustained human presence in space. Stay tuned to Galactic Gazette News for more updates on space exploration and technological advancements. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest developments in space science. Until next time, keep looking up.